Hello guys, welcome to my channel Doreen K and family. Please like the channel, comment, subscribe, and if it's your first time here, please, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Subscribe. I love you. Thank you for coming, and those ones who are old members, please, thank you always for coming, checking me. May God bless you. May God reward you. Allah reward you for that. Yes, I want to welcome the Muslim, to congratulate them to come back from the Ramadan break. Eid, thank you for enjoying. Some of you invited, some didn't invite. Yeah, you have enjoyed. Thank you for enjoying your Eid. Yes, and fasting. Let me hope God is going to, Allah is going to, excuse me, sorry for that. Allah is going to reward you for that fasting. Whatever you have been fasting for, let them be answered in Allah's name, as in God's name. Yeah, I thought of sharing this. I've been sick. Dennis, please come and reduce your TV. Reduce. I've been sick. Not even malaria, not what, but just cough, and even up to now I'm still breathing, holding the breath. I'm not breathing very well because I'm still having it, but I thank God that I can talk now. For 3 days I've been down, not even talking, not even helping myself. At first I thought in fact it was malaria, because I was broken wherever and feeling headache. I lost appetite, so I went to the hospital, but they checked me, they took blood tests, and the result came out when I was not having malaria. It was just a mere cough, but these days cough is very strong. Just cough, you can feel like the chest is paining you inside. You feel like as if you're going to die for sure, but when it's just a cough, so I'm still taking my medicine slowly. I think I'm about to finish. I'm remaining with two. This one I'm going to take it one today and tomorrow one, so by tomorrow I'll be done with my medicine. This one, yeah, it's 1 times 1. So, and even this one, I'm almost done. I'm remaining with this. I'm supposed to take one daily. So I'm now catching up. At least I'm better. This one, see, I'm remaining with 4. Yeah, so I'm going to take one, and I haven't even taken. I'm going to take one now, then even in the evening I'll take one. I have to take one per day.
Even not me.
I mean, two per day. This I have to take 2 per day. So yeah, I'm now okay, at least. And I couldn't help at home, even I couldn't help the kids. So I called one of my daughter, my brother's daughter, she's my daughter, to come and help me out. She's helping. Yes, we are going to see her. Gabby, are you doing your work? Say hello. Gabby's doing her work. Dennis, come and say hello to my people.
Hello.
Yes, that is Dennis. That she wanted to tell you that she's sick, but she's not. just because when you have cough in the house, like it gets spreaded to them. But also she was before me. Now she got fine. She's just remaining with a little bit of cough. Delight, say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Let me take you to Annette. Annette, please, Annette, don't. She's shy. My girl is shy. I wanted her to greet you. She has run away. She's busy in the kitchen. Yeah, she's preparing lunch. But now at least I'm okay. But by the time she came, I was very oh God, sorry for that. Where's my hanky? Okay. Yeah, sorry for that. You know, you are with a sick person, so you have to bear the situation. Okay. Yeah, but now I'm okay. I'm okay. And also my mom. There is my mom who is in Italy. She came back. She's in Uganda now. Very soon we are going to meet her. Yeah, so I have to be fine. Annette, please come and greet my people. Just come and say hello. Huh? She's shy. Annette, this girl, I was with her since 7 years. But now look at her.
Hello.
Yes.
Thanks for subscribing to our channel.
Okay.
God bless you.
Amen. There she is. She was with me when she was 7, almost approaching Denise. Yeah, in fact, that size of Denise. So she comes and goes. She comes and goes. This is her home too. Yeah. Okay. Love the channel. Subscribe. Comment. We love you so much. May God bless you. Ciao.